Ginger's a root that's most known for improving digestion. Lemon's a powerful antioxidant that's high in vitamin C. Ginger's going to promote healthy weight loss, but lemon eliminates waste. Ginger jumpstarts the metabolism with its fat-burning capabilities. Lemons will reduce abdominal swelling by helping the body detox. These two very different foods are capable of working together to make us healthier. Many times, ginger and lemon accomplish fantastic results when paired together. Take a look at what ginger and lemon can do for you. Cleanse the blood. Ginger and lemon eliminate toxins in the blood. They both contain ingredients with cleansing properties, and paired together they improve circulation and bring down LDL levels. Boost immunity. Alone, as well as together, ginger and lemon have the power to boost our immune system. They make it so we can resist the common cold and help us recover whenever we are affected by infections, breathing problems, and laryngitis. Healthy skin. High in antioxidants and vitamin C, this potent mixture maintains moisture in the skin and assists in keeping it rejuvenated by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Improve digestion. The lemon will help flush toxins in the digestive tract, while ginger fights nausea. Combined, they also improve other intestinal issues like indigestion and fluid retention. If you suffer from gastritis, it's best to avoid mixing ginger and lemon. In their own way, ginger and lemon will get rid of waste from the body. Whether it's through burning fat or flushing waste, they've been used for years by those who want to drop unwanted pounds. This combination can complement a healthy diet to help you reach your goal. So what's the best way to put them together without compromising any of their natural properties? A simple, delicious tea works wonders. Follow these steps to start taking advantage of this unusual root and fruit team. Here's how. Boil 1 cup of water on the stove. After it comes to a steady boil, remove it from the heat and add 1 small slice of ginger. Cover it and allow it to steep for 5 minutes. Then add the juice from 1 lemon and drink it, ensuring it's cool enough first. The best time to drink this amazing tea is in the morning before breakfast. Remember, these natural ingredients only work if they are added to a healthy diet, free from junk food, soft drinks, and an increased amount of sodium. Get plenty of exercise and consume at least 2 liters of water per day. Once you do this, it will be no time before you see the awesome benefits of the ginger and lemon tea.